A drywall cut all the way around the lip of that shower encasement. I'm going to use my stud finder to look for any electrical. This is it. Look for any electrical signatures, like right there. I'm picking up electricity. It could be static. We could have an electrical line coming through here. All this drain stuff apart, I'm gonna have to get a tool. The screws out. This is the old plug for that, and it hooks up with this T thing. This is old Delta stuff, probably from like 1980 or something. There's those. Just take that handle off with one screw, and then put this in here. Quarter cable sawzall with a well, it says carbide teeth. Just missed these wires. I was picking up that signature here. I didn't cut them. That's good. There's plumbing back to back because there's another shower for the other bathroom over there. So you know, even with cutting that, just put like the small end of the blade in. I even went even shorter, just the end of the blade. You can see where the wear mark is, but I stood right about there, something like that. So I sliced along the bottom on an angle, and I'm going to tear this piece out. So at this point, I'm going to put a line down this way and a little bit around that drain right there, and just yank this system out, and the rest will come out easy. Well, this didn't pull out as easy. I cut my line down through here, but cut that out, and hopefully that breaks right there. It's interesting that this is brass, and then this one's plastic. Looks like maybe somebody did have to come up through the bottom or something. Maybe that's a newer install, I don't know. So I got to bring Junior in to finish this off down in here. I'm hoping it'll come out and carry that outside. Yeah, it looks like the chipmunks were having fun. So everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. This is what we've got. So this is part of the tub too. I didn't realize that. And we got a bunch. We got a house over here. They've been coming up through that crawl spot. I don't think they've been here in a while. No. So I got to clean up this whole mess. And we're setting the new tub on Monday. Moving the drain over to here in the shower and everything. I gotta take care of this electric, do a box or something. Yeah, my plumber warned me about that, and he's like, he knew. So I double checked, and yep, there we go.